Welcome back to our channel. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R stands as the pinnacle of track-focused engineering, a machine that doesn't just push the envelope, it rips it apart with ruthless efficiency. Designed for riders who demand nothing less than extreme performance, the new H2R retains its legacy of unrivaled speed and aerospace-inspired engineering, while introducing advanced enhancements that make it sharper, lighter, and more technologically connected than ever before. At its heart, the 2026 H2R is powered by an updated 998cc supercharged inline-4 engine, fine-tuned to deliver more responsive mid-range torque while maintaining its staggering peak output of over 310 horsepower, 326 horsepower with ram air effect fully engaged. This is a power figure that places the H2R in a category of its own, still untouchable by anything in the production motorcycle world. The engine's internals have been refined with lighter titanium components and friction-reducing coatings, contributing not just to increased output but also to improved thermal efficiency and durability during high-speed, high-load runs. Kawasaki's expertise in forced induction engineering continues to shine with the H2R's proprietary supercharger, developed entirely in-house. For 2026, the impeller design has been marginally revised to improve airflow consistency across the RPM range. Coupled with revised intake and exhaust tuning, the bike delivers smoother throttle response at lower RPMs without sacrificing its signature top-end ferocity. Despite its mind-bending performance, the engine remains relatively compact, helping to keep the center of gravity low and centralized for razor-sharp handling. The H2R's frame is still based on the trellis design, chosen for its balance of strength, flexibility, and heat dissipation. For 2026, Kawasaki has integrated a new high-strength carbon-reinforced polymer into key areas of the frame and subframe, shaving weight while increasing torsional rigidity. The result is a chassis that feels more planted during high-speed cornering and provides even more confidence on aggressive lean angles. Suspension duties are handled by race-spec Öhlins components, an updated TTX rear shock and Nix 30 front forks, both fully adjustable and electronically controlled. The new EQ-controlled suspension system reads road and rider input in real time, adjusting damping rates within milliseconds to optimize grip, control, and ride quality. Whether it's blasting down a straight or carving through technical turns on a track, the 2026 H2R responds with an almost telepathic precision. The braking system on the H2R is equally impressive, featuring Brembo-style MAR calipers gripping massive 330mm discs up front, paired with a radial master cylinder and braided steel lines. These are assisted by Kawasaki's latest Bosch-sourced cornering ABS system, tuned for track use with reduced intervention to preserve rider feel while offering a critical safety net during aggressive braking. One of the most noticeable updates for 2026 is the suite of electronics. The H2R now features a next-generation 6-axis IMU that powers an expanded range of rider aids, including enhanced traction control, wheelie control, slide control, launch control, and engine braking management. These systems work together to provide maximum performance while preserving the raw, mechanical thrill that defines the H2R experience. All settings are customizable via the new 6.5-inch full-color TFT display, which now supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling track data analysis, firmware updates, and ride customization via Kawasaki's Radiology app. Aerodynamics, always a focal point for the H2R, have been further refined. The carbon fiber winglets, previously iconic for their resemblance to aircraft canards, are now reshaped using wind tunnel data derived from Kawasaki's aerospace division. The updated design increases downforce by 8% over the previous model, aiding stability at speeds well above 300 km per hour. Even the bodywork has been reprofiled for reduced drag and better heat extraction, with new high-temp carbon fiber panels in critical zones. Exclusivity remains a key part of the H2R's identity. It is not street legal, and each unit is hand-assembled in a controlled environment. The 2026 model will be produced in extremely limited numbers, with each bike individually numbered and delivered with a certificate of authenticity and a custom paddock stand. Buyers are offered a unique experience package, including track training and setup consultation with Kawasaki engineers. Riding the 2026 Ninja H2R is unlike anything else. The ferocious acceleration, the shriek of the supercharger, and the unshakable chassis feedback make every lap a visceral encounter. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of what's possible when engineering boundaries are meant to be broken. Kawasaki has once again demonstrated that the H2R is not about being practical, but about being extraordinary.